Creating related rates. In this example, we will assume a scenario that our hotel's occupancy rate is low at weekdays, and we are trying to overcome this by creating an attractive rate special for the weekdays. We begin with Rooms, Rates, Availability page. The columns on this page represent rooms, and the rows represent rates. We will try creating a related rate under Hot Deal Rate. This means that the prices of the newly created rate will be connected with the main rate prices, so that we won't have to update them separately each time. All other features of the new rate can be customized. Start by clicking Add Related Rate. Rate Creation page comes up. These 7 tabs of this page should be completed one by one. We begin with the rate name. Any of those names in the list can be chosen, but we want to create our own, so we click User Defined. Write the name, and then the rate description. Write features and conditions, and then prices. Since this is a related rate, we don't need to put new prices. Specifying the relation of the new rate price with the main rate price is enough. This will save us a lot of time. By writing -10, we are setting single room price of the new rate as 10% less than the price of the main rate. Same for double room. We skipped corner suite because we don't want it in this rate. And now minimum maximum stay. This warning says that we cannot now edit minimum maximum stay and that we should come back later once the rate has been saved. GDCM policies. We don't want a special GDCM policy for this rate, so we will leave this section as it is. Same for promotions. Extra services. The extra service we need for this rate is not available right now in the list below, so we will come back here later after having created it. Other settings. We will set the arrival and departure days here, thereby limiting the stay to weekdays. And now, time to save. We come back to the rates page and find our new rate here just under the hot deal rate. We can also see that the corner suite column is blank as expected since we had not included it. Now we can complete the 2 steps that we had skipped, minimum maximum stay and extra services. We go to Transfers and Extra Services to create a new extra service. Since weekdays our restaurant is also not too busy, it is a good idea to add a meal offer. Add new extra service. We can choose the name from here. I chose for each night mistakenly. That would mean that the total charge would be calculated by multiplying with the number of nights. That is too much. The guest should be free not to have dinner some nights. For once and per person. Per person because naturally the number of dinners sold will depend on the number of guests staying in the room. We could also add a free dinner. If the guest chooses 3 nights or more, the reservation screen will show a free dinner. Since this extra service is created exclusively for weekdays, we must check weekdays rate here. Save. Now we can go back to rate properties to organize minimum maximum stay settings. Find weekdays promotion. While we are on the rates page, I will check extra services first. Yes, the dinner service has shown up here automatically. Minimum maximum stay. We can limit the maximum stay to 5 nights so that the guest cannot use the discounted price for stays over the weekend. Specify for this rate. Set maximum stay to 5 nights. And save. Now let's see how these changes take effect on the reservation screen. Open booking engine. Choose dates. Here, the hot deal price is 110 euros. And here is our weekdays promotion, 99 euros, which is indeed 10% discounted hot deal price. The rate description that we had written has shown up here as well. And finally, we will change the length of stay to 3 nights to see if the free dinner offer will show up. Choose dates. Weekdays promotional rate. And here it is.